There goes the monorail.
Walt Disney.
We're gonna go like this. Makes it happy.
Classic.
Weird sign. What a beautiful day here in Walt Disney World in Tomorrowland. Wedway People Mover, Space Mountain. Oh my gosh, this is so classic. All right, back on the Wedway People Mover. Probably the best ride in all of Walt Disney World, my favorite. You get to see everything. You get some of the best views of the park from this ride. Wow, busy, busy day. That's all blocked off. It's kind of weird. Alright, let's check out Tron over here. Look at that. They got a lot of the tracks are up. The building's almost complete up there.
Vehicle for people watching.
Wow.
So keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might see.
Alright, here we go. Over to Tomorrowland Speedway.
Speed towards the checkered flag of your very own race car. Young or old,
Oh my God. So crazy. Doesn't seem to be anybody working today. Nobody's working. Space Mountain. And here is the original plans for Epcot Center. Wow. So amazing. Look at this empty Liberty Square here. Look at that. Oh my gosh. The beautiful Liberty Bell. We're rope dropping this morning once again, and we're gonna do Haunted Mansion and Pirates. Wow, the Liberty Bell with the rivers of America, Thunder Mountain, Haunted Mansion. Wow. All right, so we just did Pirates. I'm still alone in the park. Rope drop is key. right, we're here overlooking Tom Sawyer's Island, Harper's Mill. My gosh, look how beautiful. Classic. Over to the old shooting arcade and the Frontier Trading Post. This is Disney to me. So beautiful. I mean, I've seen it worse.
This is a Vero Mike's production.